Well, I've just taken the cam cover off on the left hand side of the engine, and to find these rubber seals are all really badly worn. So I've got some new ones to change. I've got a new gasket, get all this polished up, which should look really nice. Now I'll show you the condition of the engine. I've done an oil change already, but it's absolutely filthy inside. The actual sludge, if I can show you the sludge here. There we go. I mean, just look at that. It is years and years of built up sludge. I mean, the car is 40 years old, I know that, but it hasn't had regular fresh oil changes. I think that's the problem. Hopefully there's not too much wear. We'll get it compression tested, but it drives really well. But I'm going to adjust all the valves because there's a little bit of slack there. Should be 10 thou. Don't know if you can see that bucket moving. It's quite a lot, to be honest. That is more than 10 thou. That's probably 25 thou. So we'll get all this adjusted and everything cleaned up, because as you can see, it will clean up nicely. Just filthy dirty. So this is the project for today, this bank, and then tomorrow the other side. Cheers.